X. Cleaning a dirty river is a complex process that requires a combination of short-term actions and long-term strategies to address pollution sources, restore natural ecosystems, and maintain water quality. Here's a step-by-step guide based on widely accepted methods and practices. 1. Assess the problem. Identify pollution sources. Determine what's polluting the river: industrial discharge, agricultural runoff, sewage, plastic waste, or other contaminants. Water quality testing. Conduct tests to measure levels of pollutants such as heavy metals, nitrates, phosphates, bacteria, e.g., E. coli, and dissolved oxygen. Map the river. Understand the river's flow, tributaries, and surrounding land use to pinpoint where pollutants enter. 2. Stop pollution at the source. Regulate industrial discharge. Enforce strict regulations on factories and industries near the river to prevent untreated wastewater from being dumped. Improve sewage systems. Upgrade sewage treatment plants to ensure human waste is properly treated before release. Fix leaking septic systems. Control agricultural runoff. Encourage farmers to use sustainable practices, such as reducing fertilizer and pesticide use, planting buffer strips, vegetation along riverbanks, and managing livestock waste. Reduce urban runoff. Install green infrastructure like rain gardens, permeable pavements, and retention ponds to filter stormwater before it enters the river. 3. Remove existing pollutants. Physical cleanup. Hollow Bullet organize community cleanups to remove trash, plastics, and debris from the riverbanks and water. Hollow Bullet use skimmers, booms, or nets to collect floating waste. Dredging. In cases of heavy sediment pollution, e.g., toxic sludge, dredge the riverbed to remove contaminated sediment. This must be done carefully to avoid disturbing ecosystems. Bioremediation. Introduce microorganisms or plants, phytomediation, that naturally break down or absorb pollutants like oil, heavy metals, or organic waste. 4. Restore the ecosystem. Revegetate riverbanks. Plant native trees, shrubs, and grasses along the river to prevent erosion, filter runoff, and provide habitat for wildlife. Reintroduce native species. Restock the river with native fish, plants, and other aquatic organisms to restore biodiversity and natural balance. Remove invasive species. Control or remove non-native species that disrupt the ecosystem. Improve oxygen levels. Install aerators or cascades to increase dissolved oxygen, which supports aquatic life and helps break down organic pollutants. 5. Implement long-term solutions. Legislation and enforcement. Work with governments to enforce anti-pollution laws, set water quality standards, and penalize violators. Public education. Raise awareness about reducing waste, proper disposal of chemicals, and the importance of clean rivers. Sustainable development. Promote eco-friendly urban planning and industrial practices near rivers. Monitoring systems. Install sensors to continuously monitor water quality and detect pollution events in real time. 6. Community and global efforts. Collaborate locally. Partner with local communities, environmental groups, and volunteers for cleanup efforts and advocacy. Seek funding. Apply for grants from governments, NGOs, or international organizations to fund cleanup and restoration projects. Learn from success stories. Study successful river cleanups, like the Thames River in the UK or the Cuyahoga River in the US, for inspiration and strategies. Challenges to consider. Cost. Cleaning a river can be expensive, especially if it involves infrastructure upgrades or dredging. Time. Restoring a river can take years or decades, depending on the extent of pollution and ecosystem damage. Coordination. Multiple stakeholders, governments, industries, communities, must work together, which can be difficult to coordinate. Tools and technologies. Water treatment technologies use filtration systems, UV treatment, or chemical treatments to purify water in specific sections. Drones and satellites use drones or satellite imagery to monitor pollution sources and illegal dumping. AI in data analysis leverage AI to predict pollution patterns and optimize cleanup efforts. If you have a specific river in mind, let me know, and I can search for more tailored information or examples related to it. Would you like me to search the web or X for additional insights on river cleanup methods?